All right, we've got the Patali Store Interdental Brush Tooth Floss. So we've got these two different styles. I'll just go ahead and take them out right here. Take a couple of them out. So we got the red, we got some red and blue ones in here. So that is what, let me open these up actually too. Why not? So that's what these look like right here. And there's different sizes with different colors with the different colors. And there's all sorts of different colors. But these are amazing for cleaning in between your teeth and keeping you nice and healthy, keeping your gums nice and healthy, your mouth. It's very important to keep this healthy in here. So then you've also got this style right here. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to take one of them out for you just so you can get a vibe. Let me get this really quick. And so here's what this one looks like. And so these are amazing, cleaning in between your teeth, as well as cleaning. These are especially amazing if you have like braces or a retainer or something like that, where you can clean around that stuff. So that's hard to keep clean with this. It's nice and easy. So all in all, these are amazing and you need to get them. I highly recommend them.